This is how you're going to add an Elementor text hover effect with WordPress text effect plugin. So first thing that we're going to do is to, of course, download the plugin first. So from your WordPress dashboard, you're going to head over to the left side panel, and then you're going to scroll down until you find the plugins button right here. Now you're going to hover your mouse over this plugins button, and then you're going to click on add plugin. Now from here, we're just going to install an Elementor text hover effect with just WordPress text effect. So we're just going to search for text effect right here, and then hopefully something comes up. Now once we find something that we want, so for example, we want to install this animated text block, some typing and looping text effects, or you can also do this image hover, but this one is more on images. So for this one, I'm just going to download and install this animated text block, and then once you have it downloaded, you're just going to click on this activate right here, and then you're going to wait for that to be activated into your Elementor. Now that you have it installed, you're going to make sure that this one actually is compatible with Elementor and that you can use this with Elementor. Now once you have an animated text effect installed, you can just head back to Elementor, and then from here you're going to make sure that it is incorporated with this app. So if it is compatible, you would usually automatically see it right here, but seems like what I downloaded isn't compatible. So what you're going to do is you're just going to head over to this app, and then it will give you a short code. So usually if it is any compatible with Elementor, it will give you a short code that you can just copy paste. So for example, you can find a short code right here. You're just going to have to copy that, and then from there you're just going to scroll down from the elements section of Elementor, and then you're gonna try to find a short code from here. So just going to scroll down until we find the short code element. So you find it right here. It has a 3 dots icon. You're going to just drag it over to your page, and then here, right here at the left side panel, you'll be able to see this short code section. You're just going to delete this, and then you're going to paste what you have copied from the app, and that's it. It should now be applicable to your text. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.